we have replaced the old toilet fill valve of this Kohler toilet installation about 2 days ago with this Fluidmaster Universal High Performance. Model type is 400H-002. It says it's now quieter and faster. I've bought 2 of them. Here I have still 1 of them and the other one I've installed. It came with everything. You can see you get really everything. You get even the nut from underneath. You get the whole installation here, even the hose and even the clamp here. So it really comes with everything what you need. You can see it also here in the back. You can even adjust the height from 9 inches to 14 inches. So just measure the height until the top of the water container, and if it's in between 9 inches and 14 inches, then you're usually good to go. And also here it's working absolutely perfect. Has this adjustment here for the overflow, so I've set it here to about 1/2 inch underneath the overflow, and I've adjusted a little bit the fill level here for the toilet bowl. If you don't know what it is for, I mean, it's basically regulating how much water flows through this tube into the overflow, and from the overflow actually it goes into the toilet bowl. But of course only during the time when it's filling, and so the more this valve is open, the more water flows into the toilet bowl. But it's still very important to adjust it, because if it's providing too much water, it will just overflow down into the drain. You don't want to have that, but you want to have a certain level. So the best thing is to have it fully open first, flush it, see how much or how far it recedes, mark it maybe with a pen, and then put it somewhere in between, and then check if it's filling too high or not high enough. You can regulate that. Definitely worth to check also this one and also the height here. So everything has been working really good, and of course you also want to know regarding the sound. And so I've disabled the noise cancelling on the microphone, and now pushing down the lever here, going really close, you can hear how it is. And so you have seen and heard it live, and I've been super close. I've installed it and demonstrated it to my wife, and she told me, wow, did you change something? Why is that so much more quiet? And I told her, yeah, that's probably this thing here, now quieter and faster. Didn't see faster, I mean, we already had some kind of Fluidmaster before, so no change. But regarding the sound which you can hear, definitely huge advantage, especially if you're close maybe to a bedroom or so, flushing during the night. It's awesome. I would say now already with the open lid here, it's as quiet as before with the closed lid. So that's definitely a huge difference, and definitely worth to go with the now quieter and faster version. Definitely an awesome thing. And apart from that, it has also been working super reliable. Since today we have been flushing it maybe 20 times or so, and it has never caused any problem. Installation was without any problem. Function without any problem. Absolutely perfect. So it's a full recommendation from my side for this new Fluidmaster High Performance, now more quiet version. Definitely worth it. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. By the way, that was not a sponsored review. I paid full price. But I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this new type of Fluidmaster toilet fill valve, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.